Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I made this really beautiful crystal LED lighted tree. Interested? Then just keep watching. From Dollar Tree, I used 5 of their 4.5-inch mirrors, 1 pack of their silver wire LED lights, some pearls. I used some floral foam. I also used some Dollar Tree clear acrylic gems, 1 metal skewer that I had left over from the summer, and a couple of items that I couldn't get from the Dollar Tree included these craft beads that I picked up from Michael's and floral wire. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was begin making my crystal branches. Here, I'm adding a crystal bead to the center of my wire. I'm then twisting the wire to hold that bead in place. I then added 5 additional beads to the wire. I also made branches with my pearls as well. Next, I took 6 of my crystal branches and 1 of my pearl branches, and I twisted those wires to hold those branches together. I repeated those steps until I had 10 crystal pearl branches. I then began assembling my tree. I'm placing my crystal tree in a mirrored box. I've shown you guys how to make a mirrored box in other videos, so I won't include that footage here, but if you've not seen that, I'll leave a link to one of those videos down in the description box. Next, I used hot glue to attach my Wirelight battery pack inside of my mirrored box. I'm placing the battery pack inside with the switch faced up and the battery pack opening faced out. Next, I added my floral foam. Next, I added my crystal tree right in the center of my foam. As you can see, the crystal branches were a bit heavier than I expected, so my tree slumped over just a bit. So here I'm disassembling my tree and I'm reassembling it using one of my Dollar Tree metal skewers. The metal skewer definitely gave me the stability that I needed, but it was a bit too tall, so I bent the skewer slightly at the end and I inserted it into the center of my floral foam. Once I was happy with my tree placement, I then added my LED wire lights. I'm covering my floral foam up with my DollarTree clear acrylic gems. I'm really happy with how this crystal tree DIY turned out. It was really easy and a lot of fun to make. I think that this crystal and pearl tree is perfect for the upcoming season, but you guys know that my style is modern glam, so I display pieces like this throughout my home all year long. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.